Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about a very interesting topic, that is a medical ultrasonography. You know that nowadays this medical ultrasonography or ultrasound techniques are used in the mainly it is used in the medical field. For example, for it is ultras. What is for before that? What is meant by ultrasound? The ultrasound is it is sound. This is the type. This sound sound which has a frequency which a human cannot hear and recognize that sound, that frequency, that is called ultrasound. So this ultrasound is used mainly in medical field. So in which applications, in which way they will use them in a medical field means this ultrasonography, these ultrasounds are used to visualize the body's internal organs, in the internal organs in the body, and also for a heart surgery, and to examine the kidney stones, etc. For to know about it, it was this medical ultrasonography was a beginnings for the diagnostics, because what is meant by tentative means it is not fixed. They were not fixed about this medical ultrasonography. They were this diagnostic were imaging the medical ultrasonography. Ultrasonography means, that means which I had already told you, that which uses a sound waves to visualize the body's internal organs. This was first developed and experiment and tested by the Dr. George Ludwig at the Dr. George Ludwig at the Naval Medical Research Institute in Bethesda, Maryland. He was the first person to test and develop the medical ultrasonography. But so as you know, this ultrasonography was very useful nowadays. They are also using now, but I have already told you, it was tentative beginnings. So but the Ludwig, that is George Ludwig, was successful using this ultrasonics to he detected the gallstones, human gallstones, which is implanted in dog. What is meant by gallstones? Gallstones are the which are present in the gallbladder, that is the rocky structure of the this enzymes, the digestive enzyme, that is a rocky structure, which is present in the gallbladder. So the Ludwig, who was the first person to improve this medical ultrasonography, he was successful on detecting the human gallstone, which was implanted in dog. Then after the Dr. George Ludwig, another Swedish cardiologist called who called Inch Elder. He used this same idea, and further he continued this same concept. He was by what is the reason on to made him to examine made him to what made him to hide to make the to experiment, to invent the medical ultrasonography means he was first frustrated with the inadequacies of the techniques that are available to examine the heart. He was all frustrated. What is mean frustrated? Frustrated means disappointment. He was disappointed on the it was not inadequate inadequate techniques which is used for examining the heart diseases and the heart. So he wanted to develop that. It was in early days. It was very difficult for a heart cardiologist or a surgeon, to examine and to test to diagnose which disease, what disease it is. So he was for this he was so disappointed. So he was working in the Lund University hospital, in the University Hospital in Lund. It is a city. He thought that catheterization and the contrast X-rays do not tell the clinicians enough about the. He thought that means what is meant by he thought that the cardiac catheterization and contrast X-rays was not would it would not help the clinicians to tell about the heart to clearly tell about the heart mitral valve. For first, what is meant by cardiac catheterization? The cardiac catheterization is the process which is involved, which is used to it is used to see how the heart works. However, to see to see the working of heart. For that, how the processes take place means the insert in the cardiac catheterization, they insert a thin hollow tube in the heart, which help us to see how the heart works. That is the cardiac catheterization. He thought that this process, that is the cardiac catheterization and the X-rays, as you know what is X-rays do not tell clearly about tell the clearly clinicians to about the heart's mitral valve. As you know, what is mitral valve? Mitral valve is the bicuspid valve, which is bicuspid valve or atrioventricular valve, which is present in the heart, which is in the middle of the left atrium and left ventricle. It help us to help and to help which is present in the left atrium and between the left atrium and left ventricle. It prevents the backflow of the blood. It prevents this mitral valve means prevent from the backflow of the blood. This is the it is the function of mitral valve. And then as you know, as I said that it is, means that Inge Edler was do not found that it was cardiac catheterization and contrast X-rays who don't work clearly about and did not tell clearly about the arch mitral valve. So he asked the idea for to the Carl Hertz, who was working in the nuclear physics department and the Lund University. Means Carl Hertz was, I think, he may be his friend. The Carl Hertz also was a Carlos was working in the nuclear physics department and the same university, that is Lund University. He asked for an idea about this, and he told that situation. He thought that radar has, you know what is radar? That means which radar is a system which uses a radio waves to detect the object, the place of the object which is present, and about the object. It is the system which used by using the radio waves. So he said that no, radar instead of radar we can use also we can use. He suggested that instead of radar we can also use ultrasonography. He suggested that is a Carl Hertz, who was working in the nuclear physics. He suggested to the Edler that means instead of radar we can use a ultrasonography. So after he saw Erhing Edler, he borrowed the ultrasonic reflectors. What is ultrasonic reflectors? Which helps. This is also one of the system which this is one of the device that is ultrasonic reflectoscope, which helps us to detect the heartbeat of the heartbeat of the heart. So it is the Inge Edler borrowed the ultrasonic reflectoscope, and he started to work. And he started to I started to develop. So in 29th October 1953, it gave a good result and gave a good echoes on the screen. That is I think we can say that he has reached the goal. He had reached his aim. What was his aim? He had reached the aim. That is in 29th October. It was a success, and it worked very good, and good echoes on the screen about the heart. And 6 weeks later, this ultrasonic reflectoscope was used to detect the ultrasonic probe of the brain. And meanwhile, and you have not only this Lund Yinghold, only this was not used in the Lund University also. It was developed, it was used by the it was used by meanwhile it was used by the Scotland physician who called Landolt of the Glasgow, who was working in the Glasgow maternity hospital. He used this main this same ultrasonic reflectoscope for the obstetric, that or a gynecology. For gynecology started to develop for a started to use for a gynecologic applications. Next, like this ultrasound techniques was also used in nowadays. It is also used for a acoustic transducers. What is acoustic means? That means in the which it is a device which uses which helps the man who are incapable of hearing. It helps to that like the incapable person of hearing, it helps to hear the sound, hear the sound. That is called the acoustic. The transducers is the device which helps to which passes images with using the electric signals. So it is nowadays this ultrasound, the same technique, ultrasound technique is also used for acoustic transducers, which send us pulses. This acoustic transducers that also send the pulses into an organ, means which sends the pulse. I told that transducers means it sends a message with using the electric signals. So it sends a pulses into an organ, and it works goodly for the imaging the muscle and soft tissue, and also known a long term side effect. Means it also help for the imaging a muscle and for example fractured muscle, and also to see and find what is the problem in the muscles and the tissues, soft tissues. It also help, this ultrasonic also this technique is also help for that also. And means this the doctor says that the medical department says that this ultrasonic this medical ultrasonography is very safe, and there is no side effects. Okay, thank you, bye. We will meet in the next video with a new invention. Thank you, bye bye.